and I'm going to show you how. This is going to be a multi-part series, and I'm going to break it into segments of diet, food, exercise, and things that you need to do. If you follow these instructions, between 6 to 12 months, if, like I said, if you're a reasonably sized person, which means if you're a female, I'm not going to use weight, but I'm going to use dress size. If you're a dress size 8, 10, maybe 12, I can get you diabetes free within 6 to 12 months. If you're a man at 50 or 42, 48 is on the high end, I can do the same for you. If you follow these simple instructions, you can become diabetes free and live a longer life, because that's what you want. We all want, right? I know it's going to be hard. Trust me, I've done this myself, so I know how hard it is. And I've gotten rid of all the fat. There's two things you're going to have to buy other than the scales. Another is an air fryer. I don't care who it is, who makes it. And an Instant Pot, because you can use that Instant Pot to make your greens, beans, and other things that you're going to eat that's more healthier. And the air fryer is so that you can eat chicken breast without having to fry it. You don't have to use an Instant Pot air fryer. You can bake it, but you cannot fry. Frying is done. Those days are over. And as you noticed in my channel, I do a lot of things about it's diabetic friendly and it's not diabetic friendly. The Reese's commercial was recently done. It's a treat. If you're diabetic, you can even eat it. It has no sugar. And other drinks that I haven't went over is Gatorade Zero. A 16-ounce bottle of Gatorade Zero is 5 calories. And it's almost like drinking a soda. Well, I lied. It isn't nothing like drinking a soda. But it's a drink that has flavor into it that you can drink even if you have diabetes. I still drink Gatorade Zero. But we want to do Gatorade Zero, water as much as possible. But if you gotta have that little sweet drink, Gatorade Zero. Sugar is done. Splendor, you need to do the conversion. If you don't like Splendor, you're gonna have to learn to like it if you want to put sugar in your coffee, tea, and things of that nature. Because this is a lifestyle's change. If you want to get there, we can get there. We can get there together. I've already crossed the line. I'm just trying to bring you back over. Come with me. Take this journey with me. Become type 2 diabetes free. I'll see you in the next episode. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification button so you can hear when the next one comes up. I should have another one rolling out in a few days, probably sometime early next week, because I got to get it all written up and typed in, looks pretty, and make sure I don't cover everything. Like I said, I think it's going to be like between 5 to 10 segments. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do it, but either which way, we're going to get there. So, good luck, and I'll be seeing you soon.